आदाब नाजरीन, सैयारा न्यूज टीवी से मैं सैयद अफरोज। आइए अहम खबरों पर नजर डालते हैं।
मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर और सीईओ एशियन पेंट्स अमित सिंघल ने आज सन सिटी में खूबसूरत होम एमेगो और क्लासिक होम स्टूडियो का आगाज किया है। आइए देखते हैं इसी के साथ तफसीली रिपोर्ट।
My name is Amit Singhal. I am the MD CEO for Asian Paints. Today is a very auspicious occasion for us. We are today unveiling our retailing format, which is the premium retailing format, which we call as the Beautiful Home Store. We have done a partnership very strongly with our trusted partner for years, which is Amigo Paints, and the name which we have given to this is Amigo Classic Home Studio. So this is our premium offering which is coming in Hyderabad, and we feel that this is one of the most premium stores which we have put in this part of the geography as we look at it. This is absolutely an international design which you see. This could be a store which could be in any part of the world, whether it is Singapore, London, Paris. It is something which has been done with a digital journey. This is a store we call as Phygital, which has physical and a digital journey. A lot of technology has been put in this store so that customers can visualize the space much better. So this offers customers a very big choice in the area of home decor. So this store is like offering decor under one roof. So it offers all the categories, right from kitchen, bath, lighting, furniture, right from something like fabrics, blinds, wall covering, textures. So each and every category within the home has been put into this store. It has something which people can come, they can see their home before they are doing up the place, and it offers all customers a huge range of materials which comes in all the categories for the customer. So it is really a very strong premium offering which offers the entire APTG region a very big opportunity to decorate their homes and really look at taking the whole area of beautiful homes to a next level in terms of what we see. We also see that this partnership with Amigo Amigo Classic Home Studio is a very strong relationship, because today our partners know the city well, they know the consumers well, they are able to offer a very strong service in terms of looking at what they offer. They also have a service which can really look at translating the home from scratch to a finished product, and they have a service which is called Design Cell, which comes in, which they offer to the customers in a very big way. So we think it is something very unique. It is a very premium concept coming in this market, and it has almost about 11,000 square feet carpet space, which itself is one of the largest spaces which we find in APTG in terms of any store offering this kind of range, this kind of space, and this kind of one decor under one roof to that extent. So that's how we kind of look at it, and I'm sure as we kind of go forward, this space, this studio is going to do extremely well, and we feel that we will be able to offer customers something unique, something very beautiful, and which makes their dreams come alive. ये हमारा ब्यूटीफुल होम्स का कॉन्सेप्ट इस साइज का ये पहला स्टोर है इन पूरे APTG. अगर हम ओवरऑल ट्विन सिटीज देखें तो ये हमारा 5th स्टोर है जो कि हम पूरा इन ट्विन सिटीज में रख रहे हैं, 5वां स्टोर है. ओवरऑल इंडिया में अगर आप देखें, वी हैव पुट ऑलमोस्ट close to about 74 stores like this, which are there across various parts of the geography, north, south, east, west, सब जगह पे we have those stores.
Is your retail network in Telangana?
So overall retail network is very strong, and today we think we are present across various places. But if you look at from a point of view of beautiful home stores, as I said, this is the 5th store which has come in this full geography overall in terms of how we look at it, out of the total 74 stores which we have across the country.